Hi, welcome back. In this video, you'll learn how to use the delete data task in vDesigner. This task enables you to automatically clear data from dependent fields when changes are made to a parent field. For example, when a user selects a different state from a drop-down, the previously selected city from a city drop-down will be cleared to avoid incorrect combinations. First, set up the page layout. Design your screen with two drop-downs. In drop-down 1, state displays a list of available states. And in drop-down 2, city displays corresponding cities based on the selected state. For example, selecting Uttar Pradesh displays cities such as Meerut and Lucknow. And when I select Rajasthan, it updates the cities accordingly. Second, create a task group on state drop-down. To reset the city drop-down when the state changes, select the state drop-down. Go to the Events tab. Under the OnSelect event, click the plus icon to add a task group. Click Create New, name it Delete Data Test TG and click Create to proceed. Now, search for and add the Delete Data task. Under Select Data, click the field icon. Choose the city drop-down element. This is the element whose data needs to be cleared. And under Reload, map the same city drop-down to reload it after deletion. Click Select to apply the changes. Click Save inside the task configuration. Click Apply for the task group. Then, save and commit the entire configuration. Go to Deploy section and click on the icon to deploy all the changes. Go to Downloads and click on icon to launch your application. Now, test the flow. Select state in drop-down 1 as Uttar Pradesh and in drop-down 2 select Meerut. Now, for test in state drop-down select Rajasthan. Here you can see the city drop-down is cleared and reset. Thanks for watching and happy learning.